In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily like a note on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to check if we have the latest Instagram app version. To do that on an iPhone, we need to head over to the App Store. On an Android, you need to open up Google Play. Then just search for the Instagram here in that simple way. After that, we need to go to the Instagram app page, and if this button here says update, then you need to tap on it to get the latest app version. Once the app is updated to the latest version, we need to open it up. Once it is done, tap right here to go to messages, where at the very top you will find all the notes here. Here I got the note from my test Instagram account. Here it just says test note here, and now in order to like this note, basically all we have to do is just double tap at this note, just like that. As you can see, I've just liked this note, and all the notes you've liked are marked with that heart icon. To unlike any note, you just need to tap on it. And then here you'll find this heart icon, and now to unlike it, you just need to tap right here one more time. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.